Sous vide, a cooking technique that involves immersing food in a water bath at precisely controlled temperatures, has gained immense popularity among home cooks and professional chefs alike. To help you make an informed decision, we've curated a list of the best 5 sous vide machines that stand out for their performance, ease of use, and value for money. No, Sous Vide Machines, Immersion Circulators, Precision Cooker, with recipe, temperature and time digital display control, 1000W. About this item, sous vide cooking maintains the nutrients and moisture of the ingredients, and the taste of the ingredients is more flavorful than normal cooking at a constant temperature for a long time. Based on thousands of food tests, this sous vide cooker could accurately control cooking time and temperature. Voltage 100-120 V 60 Hz, power 1000 W, temperature range 25 to 92.5 degrees Celsius, 77.0 to 198.5 degree F, water temperature kept constant with 360 degrees water circulation. Fiber of food will not be destroyed. If the sous vide does not meet your satisfaction for any reason, contact us for refund at any time. Number 4. SOUSVIDE Sous Vide Immersion Cooker Kit, machine with digital timer, temp control, 30 bags, vacuum pump, sous vide cooker gift for chefs. About this item, cook like a chef at home. Create perfectly cooked meals with our superior controlled sous vide cooker immersion circulator that delivers incredibly tasty, juicy results without overcooking. Stainless steel 800-watt SOUSVIDE cooker with universal clamp to attach to any cookware. What you can cook with your SOUSVIDE cooker, you have limitless cooking options from chicken, fish, vegetables, egg, meat, beef, lamb, pork, and much more. Our superior technology lets you lock in flavor, retain more nutrients, and create tender, restaurant-style dishes right from your kitchen. Healthier, tastier cooking. Our premium sous vide machines preserve more nutrients and vitamins in your foods than other methods of cooking, with no additional oils or fats required for flavoring. PL. Plus, sous vide cooking is the meal prepper's ultimate dream for batch cooking delicious, nutritious food, mess-free, easy to clean. Achieve chef-like results with half the effort and minimal monitoring with our control technology that alerts you when your perfectly cooked food is ready. Easily clean the pot and store your SOUSVIDE circulator in a drawer to keep your kitchen counter uncluttered. Number 3. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano 3.0, 800 watts. About this item, pros have been doing it for years, and now you can too. Sous vide, pronounced sous vide, is a cooking technique that utilizes highly precise temperature control in a circulating bath of water to deliver consistent, edge-to-edge perfect results, with virtually no risk of overcooking your food. For food nerds, by food nerds. Our most compact cooker is still huge on results. This latest iteration of our entry-level sous vide circulator adds key improvements as requested by food nerds, for an even sweeter deal on perfect meals. What's different? 1. We upgraded Nano from Bluetooth to dual-band Wi-Fi, so you can browse, cook, and monitor meals whether you're at home or on the move. 2. A two-line touchscreen display allows you to quickly view time and temperature on the same screen and manually control your cook straight from the device. Big on technology, small on size. The 12.8-inch, 32.5 centimeters, Anova Precision Cooker Nano 3.0 stows away in a kitchen drawer, so your counters stay uncluttered and your new favorite cooking tool stays within reach. Cook, browse recipes, and monitor your meals remotely via your mobile device. Whether you're seeking inspiration for your next ambitious weekend meal, or just want to make an easy weeknight dinner, do it from anywhere via the connected Anova app. Number 2. Every sous vide container 12 quart EVC 12 with collapsible hinged lid compatible with Anova Nano or in 500 US00 or Anova Pro 3.0, also fits Instant Pot. About this item, every sous vide container bundle for Anova Nano 12 quart container EVC 12 and collapsible hinge lid does not fit the Anova 800W or 900W, fits Nano 750W and in 500 US00 1000W and Anova Pro 3.0 and 525 US00 1100W only. It also matches Instant Pot Sous Vide cooker, though the hole is slightly bigger. Hinged lid for minimum water evaporation, cook long time even overnight without having to refill water. Collapsible lid, the hinge is close to the machine giving enough space to check or refill or remove ingredients anytime. Durable hinge is tested for 100,000 uses. No clamps required, the lid fits to the container snugly to clamps the sealed bags to stop it from swimming in the bath. No additional clamps required. Container NSF approved. Every container EVC 12 is NSF approved for your safety for sous vide. Only the container in which water is filled and heated is NSF approved. The lid is not NSF approved, but the lid is food safe. Notice, it is compatible with Anova Nano Instant Pot only. It does not fit Anova Bluetooth or Wi-Fi version. Its fit for Nano is perfect. Its hole is slightly bigger than Instant Pot though. Number 1. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0, Wi-Fi, 1100 watts. About this item, pros have been doing it for years, and now you can too. Sous vide, pronounced sous vide, is a cooking technique that utilizes highly precise temperature control in a circulating bath of water to deliver consistent, edge-to-edge perfect results, with virtually no risk of overcooking your food. Our best seller, only better. The first Anova precision cooker launched in 2014 and started a home cooking revolution, bringing sous vide to the masses and making Anova a household name in the process. This third generation of our flagship sous vide circulator adds key improvements, making perfect results easier to achieve than ever before. What's different? 1. We upgraded to use dual-band Wi-Fi for improved connectivity. 2. A two-line touchscreen display allows you to quickly view time and temperature, cook, browse recipes, and monitor your meals remotely via your mobile device. Whether you're seeking inspiration for your next ambitious weekend meal, or just want to make an easy weeknight dinner, do it from anywhere via the connected Anova app. The adjustable clamp makes it an ideal fit on nearly any pot that is deep enough to meet the minimum water depth requirements. A removable stainless steel skirt on the cooker's lower half makes it easy as a twist of the wrist to detach and clean the skirt either by hand or in the dishwasher. With 1100 watts of power and a flow rate of 8 liters/min, the Anova Precision Cooker 3.0 has the power to get to your desired temperature quick, and is a perfect tool for big batch cooks.